So for this assignment, the standard I chose was the third grade ELA RI 3.3, and it's to describe characters in a story, for example, their traits, motivations, or feelings, and explain how their actions contribute to the sequence of events. For my deconstructed standard and aligned learning progression, the action is to describe and the content is characters. The action is also to explain, and the content is how their actions contribute to the sequence of events. The learning intention is A, students will be able to describe characters in a story, and B, students will be able to explain verbally how their actions contribute to the sequence of events. An example of my assessment strategy is the exit ticket. So the students will have a picture of the characters from Charlotte's Web, the book, and we'll have written words around the pictures describing the characters. So words they feel are traits, motivations, feelings, etc. to describe those characters. If there were any kids that had disabilities and this needed to be modified, I would allow them to verbally tell me instead of writing the describing words for the characters from the book.